Hey guys, this is Christian. Back on YouTube. Today I will be unboxing a whole bunch of stuff, to be honest. This is the mystery package. To be honest, I've ordered so many things from the internet, from several different websites, and I've actually forgotten what I've ordered, so we're going to go ahead and unbox and do a quick review on whatever's inside. I sort of have an idea what's inside, but I'm not too sure, so let's go ahead and do this real quick. Let's see what's in the house for us today. You would think a normal person would use a pair of scissors, but then again, what's normal about me, right? So, let's see. Oh, interesting. This is the phone case. Let's put that on the side. This is a phone case that I've ordered for a friend. Actually, give me just a minute. Now that we have better lighting, sorry guys, this is actually a smartphone case that I've ordered for a good friend of mine. This is actually for a Boost Mobile Kyocera Hydro Reach heavy-duty hybrid kickstand smartphone case. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Okay, this is a pretty good Ziploc case. It's actually a pretty good smartphone that he has. Unfortunately, I don't have this phone here with me, but because he's not here at the moment. But this is for model number. This also fits a this case actually fits two different phones, which are very much alike. It's for a Kyocera Hydro View and also for a Kyocera Hydro Reach. And the model number is, as you see, the phone's model number is C as in Charlie 6742. Seems to be a pretty nice case. I know it's a 2 or 3 layer case. It's something similar to I don't want to say similar to an OtterBox case, but this is certainly a heavy-duty case. This also comes with a kickstand, which is very interesting. So you can set your phone this way. Actually, that's pretty cool to watch YouTube, watch movies and whatnot, read the news, but yeah, this is it, guys. So a pretty nice case. He wanted the red and black case. I don't know why, but hey, whatever floats your boat, right? So let me know what you guys think, and I should be uploading some more YouTube videos on unboxing and doing a quick review on several other items. And if you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I would definitely appreciate that, as my channel continues to grow on YouTube. And I will see you guys next time. Take care.